Hey, there's Mr. Herm back with another video. This is going to be the third one in this series of composite figures. This one we're going to be looking at, again, it looks like kind of like a rectangle and a triangle. So I'm going to kind of just separate it out to make my life a little bit easier here. It looks like, once again, I'm not given this distance here. So I got to find it. So let's see how I can find it. I got to find the bottom first. So we're looking at perimeter again to get all these. I can see that this is a 5 also. 8's there, 1. So I got, if I take 2 away, like 2 for here, and 1 away for here, it looks like I have 8 minus 3, which is 5. So that gives me a 5 for this piece right here too. So that means now I got to take these 2, which is 5 and 5, and find the hypotenuse. So Pythagorean theorem again. So 5 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. That's going to be 25 plus 25. That's 50 equals c squared. This is one of those ones we talked about in class where this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, so this is going to end up being just times radical 2. Some of the classes did hear that message, others did not. But the square root of 50, I think, is 7.1. Let's check that out real quick. 50. And that is going to be 7.07, which I'll count as 7.1, yes. So it's about, C is about 7.1. So here's our 7.1 right here. So now we can go ahead and find the perimeter there pretty easily. So the perimeter is going to equal to all these distances. I'll start at the top. 7.1 plus 2. 7.1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. Let's make sure we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks good. So let's pair things up now. That's 10. Here's 1, 2, 3 5s. That's 15. And then I got a 1 and a 7.1. That's going to be 8.1. So again, without using a calculator, I tend to try not to at this point, but I'll double check them and make sure I've got them all right. So let me add those 3 together now. So it's going to be I got 36.1. Is that right? Let's double check it here. So 25 plus 8.1. That is not 36.1. So something's wrong somewhere, either here or there. Gonna need to double check this. Adding 8 to this makes this 33.1. So maybe I made a mistake. Let me double check and add them all together again. Don't want to make a mistake. So let's see what I got. 7.1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. 33.1. Always double check your work. It's a great job. We figured it out. Okay, so we know it's 33.1 centimeters now. Remember I told you in class, one time is not enough to add things up. And you can see I made the mistake right here, right now, where I didn't get them right. So always double check your work. Okay, let's go to the area now. So for the area, we're going to be finding, again, the rectangle plus the triangle. So I'm going to put rectangle plus triangle. And the rectangle is going to be 5 by 8. So it's base times height, 5 times 8. The triangle is going to be half, because it's always half, times, let's see, 5 times 5. Again, the right angles will redo that. 5 times 5. So 5 times 8 is 40. 25, half of 25 is 12.5. And we get 52.5. And that's going to be in, well, off the page there, sorry. That's going to be in centimeters squared. So now we have 3 videos now you've seen. Hopefully that's going to help you out. Each day we'll have a different assignment. There's 4 pages. One for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then Friday is going to have that quick quiz again. We're going to have a quiz. We're going to start putting grades in, I believe, for next quarter soon, as we wrap up the grades for this quarter, and start counting them back into Power School and getting your grades going again. So good luck. Let me know if you got a question. Email me. Send me a message in Classroom. And we'll see you Thursday for our Zoom conference, too. Have a good one. Bye-bye.